Hello everyone, welcome to Vidatri. Ee roju live session lo mana beautiful chinya sarees chusedam. Very beautiful sarees which are very lightweight collections. So you will be amazed in the live session today. All the collections are so beautiful and manaki Kakinada lo exhibition jarugutundi August 13, 14, 15 in Paradigm Portico near Tirumala Theatre, Kakinada. So please do visit, and this is the number. Please do take the screenshot of the order number such that you can order on the number 7396382067. Keep your mobiles beside you such that you can order immediately your favorite saree. And this is one of the beautiful saree. This is yellow with red color border. You can just take the screenshot for the saree if you love it and just message to our team. They will get back to you. So the hotel name is Paradigm Sarovar Portico. I forgot that name. It's like little bit difficult for me. Do visit Kakinada, and we are giving up to 20% off over there, which is Varalakshmi Vratham special offer. Do check out and get our collections. And this is one of the beautiful color. These are the Chinya Pattu sarees. This is violet with green color combination. Such a lovely one, and the body of the saree is having beautiful golden butties and the green color border which has the golden zari work, which has the tiny florals on it, and the body of the saree is having colorful designs which is at the center. You can just observe that even in the video itself. Very beautiful, and the saree is very lightweight. These are the Vidatri special collections and Varalakshmi Vratham special sarees too. You can see the saree very lightweight and pretty. This is the pallu which comes with beautiful tiny brocade patterns, looking very elegant. So parrot green color ostundandi manki pallu, which is a beautiful contrast, and this is the blouse with self embossed design and a thin border, and this is how you can theme up. Such a lovely color combination. You can go with the bell sleeves. The saree is priced at 6379. So these are the Varalakshmi Vratham special collections, and these sarees are so beautiful, which are very lightweight, and you can just choose the sarees. Every color is so unique and beautiful. I am sure you will love all the colors because Chinya Pattu sarees are that lightweight and colors combinations kuda chaala baaguntundi. You can just stay in the live and see all the sarees looking very awesome. This is green with pink color combination. Such a beautiful saree, and body of the saree comes with beautiful golden zari designs. You can see even in the video itself, like this is little bit bright and elegant, and the border comes with plain khadi border running on either sides. This is the pallu with rani pink color combination with a golden zari designs on it, and this is the blouse. So the blouse comes with self embossed pattern and a thin border. This is how you can team up. Such a lovely color, and this saree is priced at 6379. Almost today the live session saree collections are below 8,000, which are at the best offer price. These are the Chinya Pattu collections. Such a lovely and lightweight saree. So you can see this one more lovely color combination. This is lemon yellow with blue color. Border kuda manaki chakkaga golden zari border ustunadi. It's a khadi border with cross lines, looking very beautiful, and body of the saree is having beautiful motifs running throughout, which is with a golden zari. Such a lovely color saree. You can just take the screenshot for orders and message to our team. And this is the pallu with a blue color combination, and you can see the designs on it, which is simple and elegant. So today's saree collections are almost everything is of contrast. That's the beauty. And this is the blouse which comes with self embossed design and a thin border. This is how you can team up. Such a lovely color, isn't it? And manam blouse kuda same ee saree blouse lage kuttinchukochandi. You can go with some maggam works, and the saree is priced at 6379. Such a lovely colors today. Do stay on the live and watch all the saree colors. So beautiful and lightweight sarees. Even the material is so good, and you can see this is one more beautiful collection. This is green color border and navy blue color body of the saree, which has the tiny motifs on it. Such a lovely one, and the border is also having the florals on it. We have few color options in this pattern. You can contact our team for that. They will show you the designs. And this is the pallu, very beautiful, simple and elegant, same as the designs which are in the border. And for this we have got the blouse, which is very colorful. You can see even in the video itself, like it's looking bright and elegant, and this is how you can team up, blue with green, and this saree is priced at 6379. Very lovely collections, Varalakshmi Vratham special sarees these are, and manaki దగ్గరలో wedding season kuda undi. You can just choose the sarees for any occasion. such a traditional and trendy ones, and ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి brown color with red color border. So body of the saree comes with beautiful motifs which is with a golden weave. You can see the combination, very beautiful and elegant, and we have few color options in this type of pattern too. You can contact our team for that or go through the live completely so that you will find your favorite color. And border వచ్చేసరికి మనకి plain khadi border with florals వస్తుంది. Here is the florals which is looking very beautiful and traditional. This is the pallu with red color and a beautiful and simple weave which is with a golden zari, and this is the blouse with self embossed pattern and a thin border. This is how you can team up. Such a lovely combination, and this saree is priced at 6379. So today's live session, all the sarees are almost like 6379. Go through the prices too. Just take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team. This is green color, and this saree has a light golden zari pattern which is having the florals on it, and the body of the saree is having beautiful butties which is golden color, and we have few colors at the center of each butty. You can observe in the video such a lovely color combination which suits for even all the traditional occasions. Green with pink color, it suits for every traditional occasion. Such a lovely color, and this is the pallu. So the pallu comes with a contrast with a golden weave. Such a lovely combination, and here comes the blouse. Even the blouse looks traditional and elegant. This is how it comes with the beautiful motifs on it, and this is how you can team up. Go with the half sleeves, it looks more elegant, and this saree is priced at 6379. And you can even visit our store for the physical visit and explore our collections, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. We are open till 9 p.m. every day, so that you can come down and visit at any time. And we have got a wide range of varieties which is especially for Varalakshmi Vratam and wedding season. So do come and visit, and if you wanna order online, just take the screenshot of this board such that you can order immediately your favorite saree before it gets sold out. This is one more lovely color, navy blue. Navy blue with Rani pink color border, such a pretty combination, and the body of the saree comes with beautiful motifs which is with a golden weave. These are the florals, and the border comes with simple and elegant border which is with a beautiful golden weave, and you can see the khadi border and the floral designs on it. Two plain borders running on either sides, and this is the pallu which comes with the cross lines. Such a lovely elegant pattern. And here is the blouse with the self embossed design, and this is how you can team up. Beautiful color, and this saree is priced at 6379. And the next color, this is one of the lovely color again. This is a radium color kind of thing only, but not so bright, but it's beautiful. You can just try out the saree, very pretty. And border kuda manaki sea green color border vastundi which has the florals on it, very tiny florals, and the body of the saree is having beautiful butties and the color designs at the center of each butty. You can understand that even in the video itself. Such a lovely color combination, isn't it? You can just take the screenshot for orders. And this is the pallu. So pallu even comes with the same border design of the saree which has a tiny florals on it, the light brocade pattern. And for this we have got the blouse which is very beautiful and elegant, very rich looking blouse. You can just team up like this and go with some magam works or stone works if you want. And this saree is priced at 6379. So you can observe that all the sarees today are like 6379. The sarees are so lightweight and pretty. This is Rani pink color with blue color combination, such a lovely one. The saree is so beautiful, and the color suits for everyone and all the age groups. And this body of the saree has the colorful motifs running throughout the body which is with a golden weave, and at the center you have the colorful design, and the border comes with florals, the same as the previous saree but just a color change. You can observe that. And this is the pallu. So the pallu comes with tiny brocade designs which is the florals and with a golden weave. And for this we have got the blouse, rich looking blouse. This is how you can team up. Lovely combination, isn't it? And this saree is priced at 6379. So beautiful and lovely colors. Everything is traditional, and Varalakshmi Vratam is very nearby. Choose your favorite and get your favorite collection. This is one of the lovely saree again, green with pink. So we all know that green with pink is an evergreen combination. It suits for all the occasions. Such a lovely saree. And the body of the saree is having beautiful floral bunches running throughout the body. Such a beautiful color, and the border comes with simple and elegant design, khadi zari border running on either sides. This is the pallu with a pink color combination and a golden zari design, simple and elegant. And for this we have got the blouse, which is beautiful with small brocade patterns and a thin border. This is how you can team up, go with the half sleeves and pair it up with beautiful temple jewelry. And this saree is priced at 6379. Sarees are so beautiful. You can take the screenshot of this saree too if you love it. Our team will get back to you with the details. This is one more beautiful color, such a pretty combination. It's a unique color. We find it less often, this type of shades and all contrast. So this comes with radium color border, and the body of the saree comes with brown color. Such a beautiful combination, isn't it? And the body of the saree is having floral bunches again. The same booties, same as a previous saree. Such a pretty one with khadi borders running on either sides, which is of the same size only. Same size border sarees these are. And this is the pallu, which comes with the contrast color again, same as the border color combination. And for this we have got the blouse, which is very trendy, and this is how you can team up. Such a lovely designs, and this saree is priced at 6379. We'll move on to the next color from the same collection. This is one more lovely color, manchi attractive color only this one. This is orange with navy blue color border. So you can see the body of the saree is having beautiful motifs running throughout, which is with a golden weave. And the border has the plain khadi border running on either sides with a simple design running throughout the borders. So you can just take the screenshot for orders and message to our team. So the number is right beside me. Please do take the screenshot of the number board such that you can order your favorite saree. And this is the pallu, which comes with the cross lines and is the beautiful golden weave. Color is so pretty, and this is the pallu. Sorry, this is the blouse. So the blouse comes with tiny brocade patterns, and this is how you can team up. The blouse and the pallu also comes with the same kind of pattern. You can just book your favorite, and this saree is priced at 6379. Very beautiful colors. This is one more subtle color only. So this color suits for all the people who loves light color combinations. This is light grey with red color border, such a beautiful one. This is tomato red, which has a floral designs on it, which is very tiny florals. And the body of the saree is having beautiful booties, which is with golden weave. And we can see few colors at the center of each motif. Such a lovely combination and colorful saree too. And this is the pallu with the same brocade patterns, which is tiny florals with a golden weave. And for this we have got the blouse, which is the perfect contrast, the same as a border color combination. And this is how you can team up, go with the temple jewelry. It looks more elegant, and this saree is priced at 6379. So sarees are Chinia Pattu sarees. So today's collection is all about the lightweight sarees, which we can wear it for a longer time without any discomfort. And these sarees are one of a kind. You can see the material is very soft and elegant. And this is yellow with purple color border. So this is also one of the traditional color which you can wear it for temples or weddings or any traditional occasions over there. And you can see the body of the saree is having beautiful booties with colorful designs at the center, and the border is having plain khadi border running on either sides. And you can see the pallu over here with tiny brocade designs, and the blouse comes like this. So this is how the blouse comes with a thin border, and this is how you can team up. Such a lovely color combination, you will be just standing out. Anta manchi attractive color, and this is priced at 6379. The colors are very pretty, everything is so contrast. This is red with green again, one of the evergreen color combination. So this is not bright red, this is a tomato red, which is a little lighter in shade when compared to the bright red. And the body of the saree is having beautiful floral bunches running throughout, and the border comes with a plain khadi border running on either sides. Such a lovely combination, isn't it? You can just take the screenshot of the saree and message to our team for orders. And this is the pallu, which comes with a contrast green, which is a bottleneck green, looking very lovely. And for this we have got the blouse, which is with a tiny brocade designs, and this is how you can team up. Even the blouse is looking very grand. And the saree is priced at 6379, which are totally worth it for the price. Saree anta baundi, lightweight, and you can see the designs too. This is one more lovely color, metallic blue with orange color combination, and the border you can see the floral jala on it with silver weave, and the body of the saree is also having beautiful silver zari buttees which is running throughout. You can see the floral designs on the body of the saree. Such a lovely color. You can just take the screenshot for orders. And this is the pallu which comes with floral designs on it, which is with a light silver weave. And for this we have got the blouse. So here's the blouse with the same border design of the saree, and this is how you can team up. Such a lovely combination. So this is how it comes. And this saree is priced at 6249. You can see the difference in the saree now. Green with blue color combination. So the bottom border is little bigger when compared to the other side, and the body of the saree is having silver zari buttees which is in silver color, and the body, and you can see the border which is having the florals on it, the colorful florals which is running throughout the border. It's a floral jal with a silver weave combination running on either side. And this is the pallu which is looking beautiful, and the blouse. So the blouse is also very nice. You can see the combination, and this is how you can team up with the floral designs on it. And this saree is priced at 6249. So the saree collections are so pretty, and colors also very bright and elegant. You can just try out these sarees for any traditional occasions only. This is one more color, same as the previous saree, but the color difference. You can see the red color saree with beautiful buttees on it, which is with a silver color, and the border is navy blue color with a floral jal on it, which is very colorful. You can see the florals which is in different colors. That's the beauty of the saree, and border gets highlight. And this is the pallu with simple and elegant combination on a navy blue color, which is with a light silver weave, and this is the blouse. So this is how you can team up. Very beautiful, isn't it? And this saree is priced at 6249. And you can just take the screenshot of the number board right beside me for orders. You can just order from where you are, as we are shipping the sarees worldwide. This is yellow color saree with blue color border. The border seems so attractive and with a different kind of pattern when compared to the previous sarees. And the body of the saree is having silver color buttees, and the border is very colorful with mango designs and tiny florals and diamond patterns on it. Looking very beautiful, and the other side it's a very thin border. So beautiful combination, yellow with blue. This is the pallu, such a classy finish. And this is the blouse. The blouse comes with plain design and the thin border. That's the beauty, and this is how you can team up. Go with the chokers, it looks more elegant, and this saree is priced at 6249. And the next color, the last one for today from the today's collection of Chinia Pattu sarees. The lightweight sarees, which is very comfortable, and this saree has the beautiful buttees running throughout the body, and the purple color combination border which has the floral designs on it, the same as the previous one. And this is the pallu, which is a purple color combination and with a light silver weave, and deenki blouse vachesi manaki brocade patterns tho vastundi with a beautiful border. This is how you can team up, looking very pretty, and this saree is priced at 6249. And yes, that's all for today from the collection of beautiful lightweight Chinia Pattu sarees. Hope you loved all the colors. I just loved the live today because the sarees are so soft and smooth. Texture kuda chala baundi. Don't miss out the collections. Go through the live again once we save it. Find your favorite color. Do take the screenshot and message to our team for orders. And this is the number. Please do take the screenshot 7396382067. That's the number you need to order on. And manaki Kakinadalo ee saree exhibition jarutundi, which is at Paradigm Portico, which is near Thirumala Theatre, Kakinada. Please do visit, and we are giving up to 20% off from all the collections over there. You can just visit and get your favorite, and we are giving the Varalakshmi special offers over there. Do check out, and within 15 minutes Vidatri Pattuchirana page lo live ostamu. You can just catch us over there and watch few more collection of the sarees over there. Until then, we are signing off.